summer's here. Introducing the Kitchen Wizard Plus, the amazing new kitchen appliance that makes food preparation a joy. Slice tomatoes perfectly every time. Slice potatoes for paper-thin chips. Even onions cut so fast you won't have time to cry. And with the special safety holder, your hands never touch the food. So there's no mess, no blades to handle, and you cut every slice perfectly down to the very end. Nothing.
The emergency alert system has been activated. All broadcast and cable systems in the greater DC area shall transmit this emergency action notification message. Important instructions for your safety will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A major disaster has occurred in the DC area. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has issued a list of advisories for the following areas. Those in the National Mall, Capitol Hill, Judiciary Square, Southwest, Navy Yard, Penn Quarter, Federal Triangle, Foggy Bottom, Downtown, Barney Circle, Atlas District, Kingsman Park, and Nome Sursum Corda areas are advised to shelter in place and remain indoors until advised otherwise by first responder units. Those in the District of Columbia are advised to remain indoors and avoid the Capitol Hill area until further notice. Those in Arlington, Fairfax, Loudoun, and Prince William Counties, Virginia, Prince George, Montgomery, Howard, and Charles Counties, Maryland, are advised to avoid the D.C. Beltway area while first responders secure the disaster area. All commercial and civilian air traffic in the eastern United States are grounded until further notice. This message will repeat at the top of the hour.
Fancy tomatoes for salads or beautiful fruit baskets. The spiral slicer can spruce up any platter, and the world's smallest juicer extracts pure fresh juice